He's screaming. He's screaming, and I feel the eyes that he look at me. This image haunting me every night before I go to sleep, and the noise completely in my head. I I can't understand about human. Why we entertain ourselves when the other animal, when the others suffer. I witnessed more sick elephant, lame elephant, blind elephant, old elephant, still, still forced to work. I said, when this is elephant, you can rest. He said, when they are falling down, when they can't walk. Most elephants that we rescue and they come from the work, locking, street begging, elephant circus, elephant riding. From physical injury, it's not much compared to mentally ill. When they arrive here, some of them may be outside look okay, but their mind are really bad. Many of them arrive here like a zombie. They doesn't know themselves they are the elephant. Some of them stand still, they never move, they don't know what to do. It will take us a long, long time to spend time to heal them. I hope in the future that is for the elephant in Thailand, and I hope that the people be kind to them and leave them alone and let them be elephant. And this is what I want.